Kami.
Go play with
Ready,
the choke,
alamat.
ah. Play
Ready.
with the choke.
3, 2, 1. Now. Alamat. Now. Kill now. Nice one, boys. Play defensive now. Cycle, cooldown. Hold the choke. Just hold the choke, boys. Qs and Ws.
15 seconds.
Get
15
ready
seconds.
now, boys. Let me know your cooldowns. Loot up the body.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Okay. Just let me know, please.
6.3.
5
You
seconds.
can go ahead.
Ready.
Ready. Boys, 3, 2, 1. Now. Northeast. On me. Go back to the choke now. Northwest. Go back to the choke, northwest. Northwest, boys. Go back. Heal up. Qs and Ws in front of you. Let me know your cooldowns. Get out of the choke now.
15.
Get out of the choke.
They might
Bait them,
change.
bait
Like,
them.
they might change. To cleanse.
That's fine. Get out of the choke. Oh, follow me. Northeast. Southeast. They're spreading like a shitters.
Carry
cooldowns?
blood letter.
Ready. Everything ready.
Just spread out here. Go down the stairs. Let's go down the stairs, boys.
We did kill the tank.
Yes, sir.
Did you guys looted it?
They're using boots. They're mounted.
Okay, come. No. Come. One. Engage now.
Cleansed.
Nice one, boys. Oh, come. Qs and Ws. Pressure them, boys. 4 seconds. Qs and Ws. Okay, just go back northeast.
Unlock.
Nice one, boys. Just Qs and Ws in front. Boys. Now pressure them.
8 seconds.
Okay, pressure them in the southwest. Wheelers in front. Let's go. Ready? 3,
1.
1. No. On me. Let's go. Kill them now, please. Kill them now, please. Hey, sticky. Nice one, boys. You can handle them, please. Nice one. Kill them. Hello, baby girl. They can still kill you, okay? Just be careful. They can still kill you. Be careful, boys. Heals in front, boys. I stun them, everyone. Nice one. Qs and Ws. I stun.
GG.
Baby. Ina mo! First blood.
Guys, another group, regroup. So loot